Welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Today, we're diving into an exciting and essential topic for all aspiring homesteaders: choosing the best farm animals for your property. Whether you're looking to raise animals for fresh eggs, milk, meat, or simply for companionship, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Homesteading is an enriching lifestyle that brings you closer to nature and promotes self-sufficiency. One of the most rewarding aspects is raising farm animals. But with so many options, from chickens to cattle, knowing what's best for your land, budget, and goals can be overwhelming. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the best animals for beginners, key factors to consider before investing in livestock, detailed pros and cons for each popular homestead animal, essential gear and tools to ensure your success, key factors to consider before choosing farm animals. 1. Space requirements. Larger animals like cows require ample grazing land. Chickens, rabbits, or bees need minimal space, making them ideal for small homesteads. 2. Budget and expenses. Factor in initial costs, feed, shelter, and healthcare. Some animals, like goats, are relatively low maintenance, while others, like horses, can be costly. 3. Time commitment. Chickens require daily care but minimal maintenance. Animals like cows and pigs demand more hands-on management. For purpose of farming, are you looking for fresh eggs, dairy, meat, or fiber production? Determine your priorities before selecting livestock. 5. Climate and environment. Certain animals, like ducks, thrive in wet conditions, while goats prefer dry climates. Best animals for beginners. Starting with low-maintenance animals is the key to homestead success. Here are the top recommendations for beginners. 1. Chickens, the homestead staple. Pros: easy to care for with minimal space requirements. Provide fresh eggs almost daily. Great for pest control and composting. Cons: vulnerable to predators. Secure fencing is essential. Regular cleaning is required to prevent disease. Recommended breeds: Rhode Island Red, Sussex, and Plymouth Rock. 2. Rabbits. Quiet and efficient. Pros: ideal for small spaces. Great source of meat with minimal investment. Excellent composters. Rabbit manure is rich in nutrients. Cons: requires careful attention to breeding management. Can escape easily without proper enclosures. Recommended breeds: New Zealand White, Californian, and Flemish Giant. 3. Ducks, hardy and productive. Pros: excellent egg layers with nutrient-rich yolks. Require less structured housing than chickens. Hardy against cold weather. Cons: require access to water ponds or large tubs. Messier than chickens. Recommended breeds: Pekin, Khaki Campbell, and Indian Runner. 4. Goats, versatile and fun. Pros: excellent milk producers for cheese, yogurt, and soap. Great for brush control and land clearing. Entertaining and full of personality. Cons: escape artists. Requires sturdy fencing. May damage plants and trees if unsupervised. Recommended breeds: Nigerian Dwarf, Alpine, and La Mancia. Intermediate level animals for larger homesteads. 1. Pigs, great for meat production. Pros: efficient meat producers. Help till soil naturally. Hardy and adaptable to different climates. Cons: require careful diet management. Can be destructive without proper fencing. Recommended breeds: Berkshire, Duroc, and Hampshire. 2. Cows, the ultimate dairy and beef producers. Pros: provide milk, butter, cheese, and meat. Excellent for large homesteads with ample grazing land. Cons: require significant space and resources. Veterinary care can be costly. Recommended breeds: Jersey, Holstein, and Angus. 3. Sheep. Ideal for wool and meat. Pros: great for producing wool and lamb meat. Excellent grazers to manage pastures. Cons: prone to health issues like foot rot. Require regular shearing. Recommended breeds: Dorset, Suffolk, and Merino. Unique additions for special benefits. Bees, the tiny powerhouses. Pros: essential for pollination. Provide delicious honey and beeswax. Cons: requires proper handling to avoid stings. Hives need monitoring for pests and diseases. Recommended breeds: Italian, Carniolan, and Russian. Turkeys, great for holiday feasts. Pros: produce large amounts of meat. Require minimal daily care once grown. Cons: prone to illness if not properly managed. Require spacious areas to roam. Recommended breeds: broad-breasted white and bourbon red. Essential gear for your homestead animals. To ensure your animals stay healthy and happy, invest in these must-have tools and equipment. Coops and enclosures for safety and comfort. Feeding systems to simplify meal routines. Watering systems that ensure a steady flow of clean water. Healthcare kits for emergencies and regular checkups. fencing solutions to keep your animals safe from predators. Final tips for a successful homestead. Start small. Adding too many animals too quickly can overwhelm you. Prioritize strong fencing and secure shelters. Regularly observe your animal's behavior for signs of illness. Build relationships with local veterinarians and fellow homesteaders for support. Conclusion: building a thriving homestead is a rewarding journey filled with challenges and triumphs. By choosing the right animals for your space, budget, and goals, you'll create a sustainable lifestyle that brings you fresh food, healthy land, and endless satisfaction. What animals are you planning to add to your homestead? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more insightful content. Happy homesteading!